Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. Going for a bike ride. I just came back from my trip to in Hawaii. Go check my link there. And also, I just had my bike checked just a couple of months ago, so you can check that as well. But today it's a beautiful day. It's about 17 degrees. Snow has melted, so I'm here for my very first bike adventure for this year. Okay. And enjoying the day. So guys, the last time I did my bike adventure ride was fall, when it's getting colder, days are getting shorter. So today, guys, it's April, it's spring, and now I'm just gonna go for my very first bike trail. So basically this bridge, you have to dismount your bike. So guys, this is my first time riding my bike for this year. A lot of things have changes from 2 years ago. Now we are able to go out and have some fun when we go out in nature. So everything's good. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day to ride your bike. Stop over here. Like I said, I'm almost done on my trail. It's a pretty good bike trail. I really test for my bike, my cross-country bike. So there's a lot of obstacles here. The ground is still wet and mucky because the snow is still, it's melted now, so it's just basically wet. But overall, guys, it's a good bike ride. And I'll be doing more bike adventure this year.
Gano'n na lang, parang kanina. Okay. Yeah, one, two, 1, 2, 3, and para na sumama sa'kin, tayo'y maglakbay. Huli ng bisikleta at sa'king sumabay. Ang kalsadang kabundukan.
So guys, for this quick vlog, I'm just riding the trails here in Toronto. I've been on this trail before. It's been a beautiful day today, so it's perfect time to ride our bikes. And I see a lot of people riding their bikes already, and a lot of people are walking outside and do their jogging, hiking, and all that stuff. So a lot of change happened for the past 2 years now. There's no more restrictions and all that, so everybody can go out now and enjoy nature. For this quick vlog, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless.